been a while since the last time I visited Makati City, and more than a year I think of not having a facial. Good thing, Rod and I was able to set a schedule to be back in Makati for summer runs. First up, Elevatione and Centuria Medical Makati.
Hey guys, for today we're here in Makati and right now nandito tayo sa Elevatione and we'll be trying some of their services in here. And katapos lang ng test natin a while ago and we'll be showing you kung ano yung result ng test.
Elevatione is a new global luxury boutique cosmetic brand inspired by the greatest artist of our time, Salvador Dali. From New York City, it is now here in the Philippines to give us the power to stop time and disregard the rules of aging.
Machine. We're gonna find out if my skin is if it's worse or not.
We arrived before lunchtime and met up with Miss MJ of Elevatione. The session starts with a skin analysis. Siyempre, nauna si Rod Magaro. Let's see kung anong magiging result. What is good about this machine is that it can be able to determine your skin's current status deep within. The in-depth diagnosis can easily pinpoint the issues, letting them give every client a customized personal skin regimen according to the specific need. Maliban dyan, kaya din itong malaman ang iyong skin age. Ano nga bang resulta ng kay Rod?
So your actual age is 38, but your skin age is already 39. It's sad because others nga are like when they have skin analysis, sometimes their age is like 5 year older, 5 year older, or 3 year older. It's like that. So from 0 to 100, your skin health graph is 40. This is kind of alarming. There's no such thing as 100% naman, but ideally we have to hit at least 80, so that you know that you have a very good and healthy skin, diba? You see this parang brownish white na ganyan, those are the cloudiness and it's so deep. Diba? So we're gonna do, dapat kasi every week you have to do exfoliation.
After ni Rod, it's my turn. I wonder kung sino ang mas may matandang skin age sa amin ni Rod. As you can see, unknowingly, akala ko talaga maayos pang kondisyon ng aking skin.
Younger, kasi there are others that are younger. Their age is 38, but it's younger their skin age. Okay, so factor to focus mo, it's the same also. But the first thing for you is the elasticity and the skin tone as well. So let's see what, okay, so your pores, there are enlargement, but the other one are okay naman. But here, it's still the same. Super clogged, your pores. So dirty, so we have to make sure that we have to do deep
But
cleansing.
as the machine shows, sobrang dumi na pala ito and there are really a lot of clogging that needs to be cleaned. Kaya right after our initial checkup, diretso na kami sa actual cleaning session. Pero dahil nauna na si Rod, silipin muna natin kung ano lang ginagawa sa kanya.
First aid. Cleaning the face. Char.
Oh my God, I feel 24.
Ako nga, achieve ko lang 28 eh. Ikaw 24 ka agad. So, Rod is already doing a facial. And I'll be doing also in a bit. So, kanina nag-test kami ng skin current situation namin. And we're so happy. Charot. Hindi pala happy. It's a wake-up call. For us to do this.
Time to go now to my room.
So, hey guys, right now nandito tayo sa ating room for today and we'll be doing a facial. This is actually a series of, I don't know what it's called, but we're going to try to ask yung ang magsaserve sa ating later. And this is the room. So, solo ko yung room. It's so good. We are here at Elevatione. Yeah, so these are some of their products. Inantay lang natin kung sino yung mag-attend sa atin for today. And anyway, we did a little test a while ago for the health of our skin and we were really surprised na sobrang kahit na pala mukhang inaalagaan mo yung skin mo but there are actually some things na hindi mo nakikita on your face and we were alarmed of the results. So that's why it's really needed for us to do this skincare routine and facial on a regular basis. So later we'll be doing a before and after, so we will see kung meron ba magiging difference ang ating itsura before the facial and of course after we do this. Yeah.
For today, I will be given a skin revive treatment that will include microdermabrasion, mesotherapy, and then an LED light. First up, the microdermabrasion.
Guys, yun daw nakuha sa face ko. Asan yun sa face? Yan ang dead skin. Okay, ito sa nose. Oh my gosh, ang dami nun sa face. Thank you. Hi guys, so right now I've covered with this, I don't know what it's called. Pero yeah, hindi na ako nagpatakip ng mata para lang I can document this. I forgot what it's called. Basta, anyway, guys, I'll be seeing you in a bit. Medyo masarap tayo. Matutulog muna ako, okay? Bye. Mesotherapy.
Mesotherapy.
Ayan. So, maliit na capsule lang siya, no?
Maliit na capsule lang siya. Ate, sir, hawakan mo to, sir. Hindi yata pwede mag-video, sir, kasi ano to, may microcurrent kang mapi-feel.
See, I'm gonna take out my video in 3, 2, 1. Fresh, char.
Ayan, fresh na ulit.
Yeah, it's more tighter na yung skin mo. You can feel naman the tightness.
After the session, we are now moving on to the next location. Mga buto-buto naman namin ang next sa pagtutuunan ng pansin.
Okay guys, so right now we're here in Flordeliz Mall. So we'll be heading sa Mabuhay Chiropractor. It's actually at the back. So we gotta schedule at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But unfortunately, dahil kami ay late, so hopefully, accommodate pa rin kami. Late kami ng an hour. Yeah, may patient daw kasi si Doc ng 3 o'clock. But sana mabilis lang siya.
And yes, we are headed to Mabuhay Chiropractor. It wasn't my first time trying out Chiro, but I'm still kind of afraid of what will be the result in this session. At my age, sobrang kailangan ko ng mga ganito. That is why I am so eager to try this and meet Dr. Scott Jahn, who will be checking on us today. At dahil late kami ng dating, we waited muna for an hour before our turn. Actually, we missed lunch already. Naku, I'm so excited to finish this and eat our almost early dinner.
Ito niya yung video. Diyan ako natatakot eh. Oh my gosh. Sabi nila, dapat ano lang, let it go. Let it go. So first things first, we need to fill this up, guys.
Before the session, we were asked to fill out the form.
Okay, so we're done.
After that, we finally met Dr. Scott Jahn.
Set up a specific workstation where you have a good posture, right? Because 12 hours a day, especially if your laptop is down on your lap, your head's going to be down in this position, right? That's kind of like if I took my finger and...
Dr. Scott Eric Jahn has been in the industry for more than a decade. He earned his doctorate in chiropractic with Southern California University, Southern California's premier chiropractic university, and graduated magna cum laude from Manhattan College with a degree in sports medicine. Naniniwala si Dr. Scott Jahn that chiropractic should be a part of an approach to living a healthy lifestyle, not just to fix a specific problem. Actually, that is also one of the reasons why I also really wanted to try the services. Siyempre, si Rod ulit ang pinauna ko sa assessment. Medyo napasabak lang kami sa kaka-Ingles habang kausap si Dr. Scott. Kaya ang sagot na lang ni Rod,
Sense? Yeah.
after checking our papers, sinimulan na ni Doc i-assess ang aming pangangatawan.
We start with just a basic posture, and it's straight. So we're a little bit high on the right, So put a little bit high on the left shoulder. Okay, we got a little bit of a loss of your cervical curve here with the forward head posture. So you can see the ear is supposed to sit right here over the mid part of the shoulder, but in his case, it's right about here. Again, that goes back to that head coming forward. And we lose this curve in the neck. This curve in the neck is supposed to be there, acts like a spring, right? Every time we take a step, right? When the head comes forward, we lose that spring, and now all the weight of the head just sits right on the vertebrae. So that's pretty good. But you can see how this side, you can pretty much touch your butt, but this side, right, even if I forced it, can't really touch your butt. So it tells me that we most likely have a pelvic shift on the left side. You got low back pain and neck pain.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's my turn. I personally have back and neck problems. This is probably caused by sitting for a long period of time and stress.
In addition to what I do here with adjustments, I'm also a big believer in helping you with your lifestyle, making sure the thing doesn't come back. And look straight ahead. And so we got elevated right opposite foot as well. Right? You can see how his arms are a little bit turned backwards.
Yeah.
They're supposed to be turned sideways, like almost like a gun shooter, right? And they should be right about even with the seam of the pants. What happens is when you get those rounded shoulders, because we either have tight pecs or you have weak rhomboids, something around here, or even weak lower traps. The ear should line up right here. Does it or not?
No.
Right? It's in front. So he's supposed to have a curve here, just like that picture on that first picture of the neck. Right? Curve's supposed to be here to protect the head from pushing down the gravitational forces. As the head comes forward, right? Now our center of gravity now shifts from here, now it shifts forward. Now the body doesn't want to fall over, so what's it got to do? It's got to compensate. So if you look, can you see how his head kind of goes that way? Come back to neutral. And
OM, ang leeg ko, di na pala pantay.
So the same thing that's happening here is happening in you. I suspect the computer usage is probably what's causing both of your issues, right? So all these hours and hours on the computer. Usually when we pull up, as it feels better, it tends to indicate that you have facets that are jammed. You can see that right side is shorter than left.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So turn just your head to the right. After we do that, looks like it gets a little worse. Right? Turn your head to the left. We do that, and it gets better. It's not perfect, but it's better. Right? Come back to the middle. So just like our exam finding before, we said everything seemed like it was on the right. Right? Same thing, right? Yours was the opposite. When we turned to the left, we got a better result. Here's we turn to the right.
It gets worse.
It's worse.
FYI lang, the whole process will be in two parts. The first includes the consultation with the chiropractor examination, and the x-ray recommendation. Ito yung whole process that we undergone with Dr. Scott. While the second part naman includes the x-ray chiropractic analysis, reporting of findings, the customized spinal care program, and the initial chiropractic adjustment. Overall, the whole process will cost you around 4,800 pesos. Now, it's time for us to do an x-ray and go back to have that adjustment. Pero siguro sa susunod na lang yun.
So, we're done here at Mabuhay Chiropractic, and we just talked to Dr. Scott. And we just had our initial, initial test. Para lang malaman ko yung condition ng, ng katawan namin. And right now, we need to have an x-ray and then schedule another session with Dr. Scott para lang din for the treatment na, or so that we could know kung ano yung difference ng normal spine to what we have right now. Anyway, we're going to look for food now.
After our late lunch, we tried the new normal commuting via MRT and went home. We'll give you an update as soon as the whole process is done. But for now, do not forget to put a thumbs up on this video and click the subscribe button. Until our next trip, this is Dog in the City, signing off.